Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Brandon. I hope you're doing well. Thank you for joining me today for another vlog. Today Jacob and I actually are in the process of packing things up because we are moving from Charlotte. If you didn't know, I live in Charlotte, North Carolina. I've actually gone through quite, a number of moves on this channel, from Houston to Boston to New York City to Charlotte, and now we're going to the suburbs of Detroit. So we are in the process of just getting things together. The movers are coming and they're tomorrow, and they're gonna actually pack everything in boxes for us, and then the following day they're gonna move everything. But we are just trying to get everything organized and get the things that we want to keep in the car, because we are driving from Charlotte to the suburbs of Detroit. So we're trying to get everything organized for the movers so that they can pack and do all the things that they do lovely wise. And then I have to do sort of organization or really packing of all my skincare items. So I actually have a blog that I already published of me organizing and throwing things out that I didn't need anymore, and all the skincare that I'm just I'm not going to use. So I already did that, go check that out. But right now I really need to actually get all my skincare items together and then pack it up in a suitcase. I already folded all of the clothes, and so the movers can just put that into boxes pretty easily. So the closets are clear, the drawers are clear in the dresser, and the pantry is clear. We got everything out. We used up everything almost, the almond flour and the coconut flour. But yeah, I'm just trying to get everything clean. I need to do a brief superficial clean of the bathroom and the kitchen, but that shouldn't take too much time. But yeah, I'm looking forward to the road trip tomorrow. I mean, it's not tomorrow, it's Tuesday. Today's Sunday, but I will take you on the road trip most definitely. We have some fun plans on the road trip. I think we're staying in Virginia. We're gonna have a few nights there and then stay in Columbus, and then we'll be in the suburbs of Detroit by next week, by a week I think. So what's today? Let's see, today is Sunday, and we will be there on Sunday. So in a week we will be there, and I'm looking forward to it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just get started on packing up all my skincare items, and then I will meet you later. Okay, Jacob has basketball going. Who is that? He's really famous or popular. I have brownies going on in the oven right now. I made paleo brownies because we still have almond flour that I need to use up. So I used almond flour, some walnuts that I used up, some allulose sweetener, sugar-free sweetener, some stevia. Use some honey in here. So got some brownies going, and those are gonna be coming out pretty soon. I also need to eat up these sprouts that I made. I made a video recently about all these sprouts, how to roast your own sprouts. So I have that going. I need to probably just eat that, maybe make a mini salad out of it. Let me zoom out real quick. But these produce a lot of sprouts. If doing a half-gallon jar, even a gallon jar, or a quarter-gallon jar of sprouts is plenty. You're getting that sulforaphane that activates your major cell defenses, your antioxidant systems through NRF2, which is awesome. But yeah, I think I'm gonna make a quick salad. I love the taste of sprouts. I love the crunchiness aspect, and I love the fact that it has all that sulforaphane that's anti-aging, which is fantastic. So I'm gonna consume that. I'm also using up, before we move, all of my ashwagandha tea for adaptogen qualities and stress reduction. And also, lo and behold, ashwagandha also increases your catalase activity in your antioxidant endogenous enzymatic antioxidant systems, which are fantastic for anti-aging. So I'm using that up. But it's another cloudy day today. Actually, it was pretty sunny, but now it is cloudy, which I love. It's in the afternoon, it's 2 o'clock or something, but it's getting nice and cloudy. I may go to the gym a little later. Hello. Okay, so I need to hang up my clothes. I just got done meditating. I did a 30-minute meditation in my closet right now because I need to hang up clothes. But it was nice. I did 30 minutes of just progressive, just muscle relaxation down through, from my head to my toe, just trying to imagine myself. I was counting down, imagining myself getting deeper and deeper, and doing breathing exercises, and I feel really good. It feels really good to just meditate. I've been meditating since I was probably 12, just doing my own sort of guided meditation just in my mind based upon books that I was reading at the time, and just learning how to relax my body, calm my mind. I do feel like I'm revving back up though. I just got out of bed, but I'm revving back up for this video. But it's about 3 o'clock and but yeah, meditation is fantastic for longevity and anti-aging. There's some research to suggest that meditation is great for increasing antioxidants, like I said earlier with the broccoli sprouts, like the catalase and the glutathione peroxidase, and really just reducing cortisol and the stress hormones that can be bad for the skin, can be bad for the cells, can be, helping to, anything that you can do to reduce your stress and anxiety and manage that is going to go a long way in your health and well-being, just like physical health, mental health. All of this is very important, especially to me. I definitely try to incorporate a holistic approach to managing health and wellness. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and pack the last of these clothes in my closet, and then I might go to the gym. I don't know. I want to do maybe some strength exercises before we head out on Tuesday. Okay, so for the trip, I think I'll take the rest of this Mineral Cream by MD Solar Sciences. I really like this one, SPF 50. And I probably will take, the rest of the Beauty of Joseon. I have quite a bit in here, so this should last me the whole road trip, which will be about 5 days. So that should last me, but I want to have options. I also have 2 of these Can Make Mermaid UV gels. So I have that one. And I also have this one. These are the same ones. These are the clear. I also have the Kanmake, is that how you say it? The Mermaid Skin Gel UV. This one's the white one, and it's super white, super casty. Probably better if you are wearing makeup over it. Oh, I have a bunch of these. I have like a couple more of these Mineral Tinted Cream SPF 30 by MD Solar Sciences I need to use up, so I'll probably take that and just layer that with the regular non-tinted MD Solar Sciences sunscreen. Gotta take my Vani Cream Daily Facial Moisturizer, of course, and also my dandruff shampoo, obviously, because I need that. That's a must for my hair. I've been using this sulfur calming mask for, not for acne. It is marketed as an acne treatment, but this is, I think, 10% sulfur. It's just a mask that you wear for about 10 minutes or so. It's supposed to help to calm down redness through its anti-inflammatory action. So I'm using it every now and then to try and help with rosacea, but I haven't really seen any sort of change yet, so I'm just using that as sort of like every now and then, maybe like a couple of times a week, but we'll see. I'll check in later whenever I hopefully see some reduced redness with this, hopefully. Speaking of redness, I bought the Ordinary Azelaic Acid Suspension 10%. I bought 2 of these on skinstore.com, and I really want to like this, but it's hard for me to adhere because it just makes my face even more red. And even when I use it consistently and I try to build up a tolerance by using it just a little bit and then building up slowly over time, it still just adds to the redness. It makes my skin even more red. Even, if I'm moisturizing, I'm doing everything correctly, and I'm upping the moisturizer and I'm taking breaks and I'm being consistent, it doesn't seem to be helping. So I've at least temporarily stopped using it, but I do have 2. If anybody wants one, I can send you one of the unopened ones that I haven't used, because I really don't know if I'm going to get through this. I'm ordering the Ordinary Niacinamide. Hopefully that's going to be a little gentler for my skin, because I can take my moisturizer, my leave-in conditioner, moisturizer for my hair, that is. This leave-in conditioner has UV filters in here. I've shown it on this channel before. And of course my petroleum jelly that I got at Walgreens for just maybe, definitely for my lips, but definitely for slugging as well. Oh, and I bought this travel size of CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. I'm definitely going to put this in my Dob kit, and I'll just use this on the road. I have another thing of Vaseline petroleum jelly that I got. I think I got this on Amazon. It was really cheap, like $1 or something. Oh yeah, the Advanced Snail Cream by Cosrx. I'm definitely going to take this. I have a little bit left, but this is very hydrating. It definitely adds extra hydration. I add it to damp, wet skin and just apply a thick moisturizer over it, but I really like the snail cream. I guess I could take my Vani Cream Big Moisturizing Cream lotion as well for the hotel room and just use that for my body. I actually do use this for my face as well, but I find that it tends to dry down weird and make my skin feel dry but I don't notice that with my body. So I'll just take this and use it for my body. And of course I have 2 of these I'll take, but this is just my first step in the double cleanse. This is a cleansing balm by ACA, or it might be AOA Skin. I got this on Amazon. I'll link it down below. It's only like $9, but it lasts quite a while, and it's really, really good at getting just everything off the first go, even before your cleanser. So I really, really like this cleansing balm. AOA. I'll link it down below so you can check it out. Okay, now I just have to try and fit all of this into my suitcase along with my other clothes and such. I think oh, here's this Cetaphil Redness Relieving. I can never get this moisturizer out. Like, even though there's a bunch in here, I just can't get it out. I'm gonna have to like cut it open or something, but I do like the feel of this moisturizer. I wish they sold it in a bigger bottle and in a different pump than this. It's like so hard to get out. But I do like this redness relieving moisturizer. It doesn't, I feel like it does calm down my redness a little bit, but I need something more medical grade, I feel like. Oh, I forgot I had this Vanity Cream. Oh, I have a bunch in here. This Vanity Cream Gentle Facial Cleanser. Great travel size cleanser. I'll definitely use that as well, I assume. I do like this hydrating cleanser. I feel like it's not enough on its own to get stuff off, but you know, in the double cleanse, it definitely is very, very helpful. I have some of this Flex Shield. So I really want to like Color Science, but it just looks like makeup on my skin no matter what I use. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to try and figure out a way to use this up somehow. Maybe I can use it, I don't know how I'm gonna use that. Oh, Valerian, how do you do? I found this in my Dopp kit. So this is very helpful for sleep. The valerian root, natural remedy for sleep if you haven't tried it. I like it. It definitely makes me tired, definitely makes me sleepy whenever I need it. I don't use this at all. Like, I don't use melatonin, I don't use valerian, only like very, very occasionally. Like in extreme, you know, occasions, I'll use this just to like relax and calm down before bed, but it definitely makes you really sleepy. It does have a tendency to smell kind of like BO, but I think they put it in glycerin, so it makes it sweet, so it's easier to take. Okay, so I literally just cut the Cetaphil open, and there's a ton of moisturizer down there that just doesn't come out because it's like either clogged or something. I don't know. The design of this, they need to change this. Cetaphil, change this bottle design. I don't like having to open it up with scissors. Like, that's just like annoying. Why is that? But at least I'm getting more of the moisturizer. Okay, Jacob just went to go get food. We ordered at a Chinese restaurant, so I got like beef and broccoli. I'll show it to you later. But since we're moving, we're having to use up like food that we have because I don't want to throw things away. And I had this like pound of Brussels sprouts, so I cut them up and I'm roasting them in the oven right now. And it smells like Brussels sprouts, like strong in the apartment. I don't know if you like Brussels sprouts or cruciferous vegetables from the Brassica family, but super high, like I said earlier, in sulforaphane, like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale. I think collards might be part of that as well, maybe, I'm not sure. But yeah, and the broccoli sprouts, obviously, but high in sulforaphane, activates that NRF2, really increases your cellular defenses, your antioxidant system, which your major cellular defenses, like your endogenous enzymatic antioxidants. Yeah, so the apartment, we're not doing a bunch of the packing. The movers are gonna pack tomorrow, and then the next day we're going to leave. So they're gonna pack up every single thing except like the bed and the basic necessities that we need for one night. So, but it's going to be fun. I feel like the road trip is going to be fun. I'm looking forward to that, and I'll take you along with us for that. Obviously, I think I said that earlier too. Here are the Brussels sprouts that I have going. They smell really good. All I did was toss them with olive oil, salt and pepper, and I'm baking it at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. And I really like Brussels sprouts. I don't understand people who don't like them, like cabbage, Brussels sprouts, things like that. I think it's really good. Very good for you. Also really good, high in vitamin C, which is good for collagen synthesis. And yeah, love my greens. I actually only have about 2 minutes left, so they should be done soon. Here's the brownies that I made earlier. Jacob and I have already eaten some. They're still pretty glistening, aren't they? But it is really good. I use honey, so it's not sugar-free, but at least it's grain-free, so it's less sugar, or it's less carbohydrates than like, obviously, traditional brownies. I keep using the word obviously. Is that annoying to anyone but me? I think that's the only dessert that I have. Oh wait, no. I have more of the So Delicious. Have you tried these? These are the So Delicious ice cream bars. They are made with coconut milk, so they're dairy-free. And I think it's sweetened with, it's no sugar added, so I think it's sweetened with monk fruit extract. Yes. Oh, it has chicory root extract. 6 grams of fiber. Wow, so it has your prebiotic in here. That's awesome. Dairy-free, sugar-free. I like it. I just have one more, so I have to use that up by tomorrow, maybe, hopefully. Oh my gosh, I have broccoli in here and blueberries. I also have a whole dozen eggs. I don't think I can use a whole dozen eggs by the time we move. Also, what I meant to say earlier, I don't know if I said it, but I didn't put on any sunscreen today just because I was basically in my room like folding clothes and stuff like that, and I had the blinds drawn and the, what is it, the like blackout curtains drawn as well, so I didn't really get a lot of light today. I was gonna go to the gym. That didn't happen because I still need to do more organizing after dinner, and I think Jacob and I are gonna watch probably like an episode of The White Lotus. Have you watched that? I tend not to go toward dramas, especially modern dramas, but everyone was talking about it, and I do like Jennifer Coolidge. I think she's funny. We're on the 2nd season, so Aubrey Plaza is in it, and it's not bad. I think it's really well done in terms of like the cinematography, like how they cut the visual aspect of it together, and sort of like the hidden meanings and like the creative aspects of it. Like there was one scene where like they showed the dad sort of having like a moment of self-reflection, and they showed like him on the side of his reflection, and I was like, oh my gosh, I wonder if people like pick up on that. I don't even know if that was intentional, but it was like a moment of self-reflection that he was having, and there was actually like a literal reflection of him. I thought it was so smart. So, you know, it definitely deserves all the awards that it gets. My Brussels sprouts are done, so I'm gonna go take those out, and then I will see you at dinner. Okay, these actually look really, really good. I wish I had some like lemon juice or lemon zest or like Parmesan to sprinkle on this, but totally vegan, and they look really, really crispy. I cannot wait to dig in. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm sorry this was kind of like a boring day, but got all the stuff packed for the most part, and I think I'm just gonna go head off to bed, relax, and I have some clothes washing I have to put in the dryer later, but I need to definitely get some sleep because they come between like 8 and 9 tomorrow, and I want to get up early and drink coffee and maybe eat breakfast before they come because they have to pack all of like the dishes and stuff like that, so I have to get that cleaned as well. But I hope you liked this video regardless, even though it was kind of a boring day. Hit that like button down below, it helps my channel out a lot, I really appreciate it, and hit that subscribe button as well if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!